back to our YouTube channel, SMO Unlocked Step-by-Step Solutions, and I am teacher Anna from Kangaroo Study. Today we are talking about calculation skills, about a substitution method, and you can also see this question is from our 2025 Kangaroo calculation competition. Now let's see our question together. In the bracket, we have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 plus until 1 over 2026 and times 1 plus 1 over 2 until plus 1 over 2025. And here is minus bracket 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 until plus 1 over 2026 and times 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 and plus 1 over 4 until plus 1 over 2025. Then, as we normally do, we want to calculate it bracket by bracket. But here, let's see our fraction. It all have the different denominator, and the numbers might be too difficult to compute. Then what can we do? Let's observe our question carefully. So for the first bracket, if I mark it as blue, then can you find anything same as the blue part in our calculation here? Oh, very good. On the right side, we have the 1 plus our blue part. Very good. Then, if teacher Anna marked this as red part, can you find any red part in our calculation as well? Oh, really good. On the left side, we have the 1 plus our red part. Then, if I want to calculate this, do I need to write every single fraction one by one? Oh, we don't want to. It's too much to write. Then what can we do to represent the different parts here? Very good. We can use letters. So this method is very commonly used in the secondary level. It's using letters to represent some numbers or some operation. So if I use A to represent 1 plus 2 plus 1 over 3 until 1 over 2026. And I can use B to represent 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 plus until 1 over 2025. Now let's see the left part. We have the blue part times 1 plus our red part. How to represent? Really good. We can represent it as 1 plus B. Then minus 1 plus the blue part, how to represent? Very good. It's 1 plus A. So our calculation, if I represented everything using letters, it can change into A times 1 plus B minus 1 plus A times B. Then let's calculate. We open the bracket. So the first is 1 times A plus A times B and minus B plus A and B. Then the calculation changed into A plus AB, then minus B minus AB. So only A and B left is A minus B. Then just as we know, A equals to 1 over 2 plus until 1 over 2026. And B represent 1 over 2 plus 2025. I use A minus B equals to the only number left is 1 over 2026. Really good. So the 1 over 2026 is our final answer. Well done. And this method, we can summarize a bit. We call it substitute method. When we have complex but repeated part, we can replace the repeated part by a letter. Then Teacher Anna prepared a small practice for you. Let's see. You can take your time to do the practice, and once you get the answer, you can leave in the comment zone. Or you can discuss with other students in our S1 study group and S2 study group. If you want, you can discuss with Teacher Anna as well via WhatsApp. And you can also contact us for secondary math guidance and free material. Please do subscribe to our channel for more learning and information videos. And as for the last video, we have a small practice as well. And the final answer is really good. It's 52 over 5. Don't worry if you get a different number. You can always discuss with other students or discuss with teacher Anna. And I am always here to help you. So this is everything in this video. Let's see you in the next video.